The Trade Box Arena allows you to easily open multiple currency and commodity trades, as well as manage trade orders for open positions. To open a trade, follow these simple steps. Choose a currency pair or a commodity you wish to trade in the Live Dealing Rates box. Note that commodities are bought and sold against the US dollar. Clicking the Chart button in the trade box will show the trade pair ratio changes on a timeline. Next, choose whether you wish to buy or sell the pair. Set the trade amount, the leverage level, and the stop loss take profit orders, and click on the Open Trade button. You will then be asked to confirm your trade parameters before the trade is executed. Your newly opened trade will now be displayed in the Open Positions panel. At any time, you can edit the stop loss and the take profit orders by clicking on the button next to the stop loss and take profit fields in the panel. Note, if you set your stop loss limit below your initial investment, the extra margin will be subtracted from your balance in order to cover any potential loss. To open another trade, simply repeat these steps. All your open trades will be displayed in the Open Positions panel. For further instructions, please visit the eToro Platform Guide.